everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra if this is your first time here, and in this video I wanted to do something totally out of the box, something that I've never done before, which is do a get ready with me from beginning to end. And this is something that is definitely new to my channel, so I really hope you guys like this. This is definitely a change. This is something so out of the box for me, and I just really hope that you guys like it. So do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Forget to subscribe also, if I didn't say that already. And I'll see you guys later on. All right, y'all. So I'm sure there's a million videos on YouTube about how to do the ball cap method. So we just gonna jump straight on into it because it's just too much and we're not trying to be doing this all day, okay? In Wonder Lace, this one is the adhesive spray extreme hold, and this is the active one, and this one is fast drying. So any products that I use will be down in the description box. Guys, so I wanted to show you all what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. So this is what it looks like. Okay, real bouncy, real flowy. And then this is the inside. You basically get two clips. You get a comb in the back. I'm gonna remove this. This is like what the tag was on. So get this one, and this one has a no slip grip right on the back, so it's definitely gonna stick to your head. And then it comes with two clips. But the thing is about the two clips is because I have a stocking cap on, I'm going to remove these clips, because what ends up happening is when you have your wig on for a significant amount of time, what ends up happening is you start to break off edges right about here. And these two spots right here are actually a tender spot for me in general, like it's a hereditary thing. I'm very thin right here in these edges, so for me to wear, you know, one of these wigs and keep the caps, it will put too much tension on my scalp and my tongue. It comes with some baby hair in the front. The lace has a little tint to it, but of course I'm gonna go in and tint it just a little bit more, and I'll have the link for that down in the bottom description box. But this is a 1B wig, and to me this comes off as a maybe like 22, like a 22 to 24 inch wig, and it does have layers to it, and it is cut into like a V shape, so you'll definitely have more length in the back and then layers in the front. So the clips have been removed so that it can sit on my head perfectly. What I'm gonna do is take my it's by the same brand that I use for the adhesive. It's gonna be the Even. It's gonna be the Even spray, and this one is in dark brown. Shake it up. y'all, so we're back. So you guys already seen the hair, you seen the makeup. Now here goes the fit. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this kind of like a bodysuit, which kind of hugs the body. This is what all of the Instagram girls are wearing. So you're gonna use your bodysuit. This is in tan, and this is one of the bodysuits from my boutique. It will be coming soon. It's not available as of right now. I'm going to be doing these leather pants, these faux leather pants. And as you can see in the front, they like cut in the front so you can really show your shoes off. And excuse my nails because I haven't got my toes done in a while. So excuse that. So these are in a extra large. These are from Fashion Nova. I'll see if they still have them available, and I'll link them down at the bottom. So I decided to go with a 3-piece necklace. I wanted to do my Christian Dior choker, which I felt like would look better, but I can't find it right now. I don't know what I do with it. So I'm gonna go with this little bit of a dainty necklace. It's a 3-stack. My Cartier bracelet, put that in there. I'm gonna go in with my Cuban link bracelet. It's going with this bracelet, a little bit of blingage. Normally I would do a watch, but I don't know. The watch for some reason is just the 2 watches that I do have, they're like clashing for some reason. So I don't really want to go with a watch today. And plus I have my phone in my hand anyway. So when the watch doesn't go with your fit, then you look on your phone. Your phone's always in your hand anyway, right? This ring, put that here, that there. Then I'm gonna go in with another ring. Put this here. Is it in this one? Put it in this one. I'm not gonna do it too much, only because, you know, I don't know. I don't like a whole bunch of rings on my finger. I'm gonna go in with the LV earrings. Let's go in with that real quick. Let's go in with your LV earrings. Even though you probably won't even see them anyway. But let's put them in. Okay. So you get your LV earrings in, just in case you do a little 1-2, you know, like a little 1-2. We're gonna go in with our clear closed toes. I feel like if we're showing a lot up here, we might as well keep the toes going. And you already know, wear these when your toes are done. Don't follow me, my toes are not done. Okay, so this is what they look like. Let's turn to the side so you can see. See, that's what we're doing. This here. This one is from Zara. You're gonna put your coat on. Let's put this behind you. Put your hair back. Okay. Okay. So, how does that look, ladies? I tried to do black, like mostly black, because I noticed a lot of people on my Instagram, they tend to like all of my black outfits. So I felt like, let's just do a black fit for the most part. Not fully black, but for the most part. And the purse, let's not forget the last part of the purse. And then this is gonna be our purse. If you look in one of my haul videos, I'll link that down in the bottom description box. This is gonna be a Zara purse. I did show in my last video, so you guys know what purse this is. I'll see if Zara has it still on their website, and if they don't, then sorry, but I got this last year. Like this. That's pretty much the fit, ladies. So that is the fit, ladies. I hope that you guys like this get ready with me. I hope to be doing more. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. We'll see you guys in my next video.